Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you the setup of the gorgeous cloud planner from Estelle. Now this is an A5 wide rings planner, and it comes in vegan leather. There's a gorgeous texture, and I absolutely adore the scalloped edge here on the flap in the front, and this color is called First Blush. Now if you're watching the video right now as it is released, I have checked on the stock and it looks like it's sold out, but it has an estimated restock of March 30th, so make sure to check the Estelle Instagram page for any updates. Now on the outside here, before I start showing you what kit I set it up with, because first of all I thought it was a match made in heaven, there's this gorgeous little closure here in the front, and as always, TK things about everything, so it gives you two options. So if you don't use the many 3D decorations, unlike I do, you can use this hole here, or you can use the one that it's closer, so it'll give you more room to play with. Now let's start by showing what it looks like on the outside, on the inside, and it will take a little bit of adjusting because it is a big planner. Now this is something that I will not travel with, but I will keep it at home, and so I'm kind of deciding what I will use it for. But let's take a look. First of all, it comes with gorgeous rings. It's 6 rings. Gives you also the option of adding an insert or couple of inserts in the front. So for example, this beautiful insert from SimplyGilded, I could just add it in there if I wanted to. And there's also 2 elastic bands in the back as well, so plenty of options to add whatever you need. Now on the pockets here, I have used again the TN insert from SimplyGilded. Oops, there's a picture, and this is a pencil board from SimplyGilded as well. Then you have a little pocket here where you can use your ID or whatever, discount cards, whatever you want. I have kept in here the adorable little stickers that it came with. They're from Marg, Oncemorewithlove, and she designed this custom little munchkin with the little cloud planner, so I had to keep it in there. This paper clip is from Prima Planner, and then I have 2 pins here. They're and you'll see the theme right there. So these are from Southern Miss Designs. Her shop is closed, but I have, I love her clips, so I keep them. And then back here I have a couple of stickers from SimplyGilded. These are the cute little heart icons. These are instead our little stickers from ThePlannerSociety. And then this paper clip is from Lamb, and I will link her below. And then I have because why not? I always love a washi card. This is from SimplyGilded, and these are all washi from SimplyGilded, and I just, decorations, just looks cute. I like to have it there. And then the notepad is also from SimplyGilded, from a sub box from the past. So let me start by showing you how I decorate it, and let's move it a little bit this way. So the kit I have used is from HelloPetitePaper Co., and it's called Make a Wish, and it's just a gorgeous, stunning kit. I absolutely adore Vanessa's stickers and her kits, and I've actually purchased another kit that I will be using for my Indigo cloud planner. So that setup will be coming later, because in the meantime I want to enjoy this setup. So let's start here from the first thing. First of all, this is a little insert or little shaker pouch. Now this is not something I made. As you can tell here, this is from actually my Prima planner. This came out a few years ago. I used to be on their design team, and I received these, and they're so pretty. Now I love this says make stuff happen. However, the black did not really go with my color scheme, and so I was trying to see, I could have covered it on this side, but I just decided to do it this way. I'm gonna maybe find a way to find another one of these adorable little page markers that Vanessa has and put it on the side so I can cover both sides. But I thought it looked so cute with it, so I just basically took the page marker that came with the kit, or was an additional purchase, I'm not quite sure. But I put the little page marker on top, I put a little bow, and I think it looks adorable there. And then the first little dash, it's just a simple sheet of jelly paper that I bought on Etsy, and I've added one of the initials from Michaels. I bought a bunch of them. I think I actually bought 30 of them when they were like 50 cents, and I just love the way it looks. It's very simple, but it's just like there's something, I don't know, it adds to the magical kind of vibe of this kit, because look how adorable this is. So the kit came with this beautiful paper, and which I just trimmed down a little bit in the top, and then this beautiful card, and then all the other papers. Now what happens is that this is an A5 wide, and so the papers that came with the kit will not work because they're too small if you want to use A5 wide inserts. And so I basically took this paper. This is just glitter paper that I have from an older pad from Michael, and then I trimmed the paper from Vanessa from HelloPetitePaper Co. in the top a little bit, and then I put a couple of these little pearl stickers you can find at Michael's. I took the card that came, the dashboard that came with the kit, and I layered it on another glitter paper, and then on some little lace trim from Michael's, added a little bow, and there she is. Oh, and of course I added the glitter edgers from the Planner Society, and I kind of wanted to, like if you see, I have used different colors for each individual you know, dashboard, because I wanted to, you know, create that effect that you can see the green and the pink coming back. Now, normally when I use these glitter edgers, I would just stick them to the front here, so they will have this kind of effect, but I didn't like that finish. It looked a little, I don't know, it just, I didn't want to have the edge there. So what I did is I doubled this up. So this is two, it's one front, one in the back. Then I used that famous, not famous, but it's my favorite adhesive. It's just a strip of little adhesive, and it's very strong. So I attached it here, and I glued my glitter edger to the back. So, you know, there's no glue here on each side, but it's adhered straight to the back of the page. And that gives it a more clean finish to me. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but I just like, I didn't want to ruin the beauty of this little dashboard, because I just love this design so much. Now, inside here, you'll see some of the inserts I used, and although I have the inserts from Tiki, I wanted to try the inserts from Annie, and so Annieplansprintables, she has inserts for all your A5 wide rings, and I want to give my hand at trying this ones. So I have not tried it because again, this is not going to be for my daily planning. I'm still debating if it's going to be a meal planner, if it's going to be a school planner, something for my kids. I'm probably going towards the idea of being something for my kids for the fall, but you know, I haven't decided yet. But this is the inserts you can get at Annieplansprintables. And then here is the back of the first inserts. You can see I used the green edgers here, always from the Planner Society. Same paper from Vanessa, HelloPetitePaper Co. And instead, this is from the Planner Sophisticate. And this was a little card that came with my purchase. And I've had it for a while, and I'm so glad I can hold on to it because the green matches perfectly. It had this little macaron. And again, same thing, layered it with some trim, some glitter paper from Hobby Lobby, the same bows that you can buy on eBay. They're just called, I think, something sequin bows or something. You can even buy them on Amazon. And then the little the pearls on the corners. Now, to transition from one side to the next, not that it's necessary, but I have had these little pouches from my prenup planner in it for a while, and the color is just perfect. So I just inserted it there. Am I going to use it? I don't know, but it looks so stinking cute in there. And here is one of the little die cuts that you can purchase. I think it's an add-on for Vanessa's kit, but it's so adorable. And then I just put a little sticker that says yay. And then I made you know, a dashboard. So this is just a lot of washi though. It's just, I'll let you know, I'm running out on, because I made two of these, and they're front and back. So this is a lot of washi that went into it, and it's a mix of the Simply Gilded, and then I have this beautiful washi from another good friend of mine, Wontoninamillion, Cynthia, and she has gorgeous stickers, and a line of Michael's as well. And then this sticker here is from Simply Gilded, and so front and back. So I wanted to have like a little bit of a different bow on it. And then I have this acetate, sorry about the mess, but the acetate is from Michael's. It was gifted to me by a friend, a planner friend, because I could not find it. Actually, it's from Joanne, now that I think about it. It was gifted to me like a year and a half ago, and I have been hoarding it. But I love this kind of trellis kind of design. It has an holographic feel, and then I put this little unicorn, I think it's from Michael's. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's from Michael's. And then here is my second section. in. And I wanted to kind of keep similar. So the paper in the back here is from the kit. There's little unicorns that you can see them. Now the card that I used, it's actually from, I think it's called Sparkle City or Sparkle Pop something store on Etsy. It was a free card. I've had it for forever. I just loved that the color matched, and then I put a little die cut there from Vanessa, and then as always the glitter edgers. I used a silver paper this time, and then the trim and more more glitter paper here in white, and I just love the feel of it. It's just so pretty. And for the insert instead, this is just something that I'm definitely going to be using for my kids because to kind of maneuver the different vacations. So that's why I'm thinking of keeping this for my kids to just kind of coordinate better at the end of the year. And this is another insert from Annieplansprintables. And then this is the back of the insert, and it's the same paper. Now you can see it more because it's not hidden by the little journaling card, but here it is. It's so adorable. I love how it goes from an ombre, from this like soft pink to the soft blue. I put on it this little pocket that is also from the Planner Society. And then I have used a little die cut from the kit. I just put a little bow on it. This is an older sticker that I have. And then I have some stickers here from my friend Cynthia, again from Wontoninamillion. And then some stickers from HelloPetitePaper Co. And they came with the little kit that I bought. And then here, I wanted to show you, this is not probably finished. I wish I had more stuff to fill it with, but I'm keeping it. This is just a paper insert that I actually use to store my little vinyl die cuts and vinyl thingies. So I just thought that it would be cute to add some of my leftovers die cuts and store them there, so I have them right there and I don't forget about it. And then here is another one of the washi dashboards, same exact as the other one. Again, lots of washi. I had to go to make this beautiful dashboard. And then I have another acetate. This is from the Planner Society November kit. It's gorgeous. It's got all the constellations. And then here's my last dashboard because this is the last section. And there's more of the paper from Vanessa's kit. This is also a card that came with the kit, and I think it was just more of a thank you card. And then I layered it again, same thing as before, with some glitter paper under here, some little trim. This is actually a little bow that came with a Planner Society little pouch, and it fell off, and so I kept it, and I used it right there. And then glitter edgers again, and this is the debt repayment insert that I was telling you about. So this is also from Annieplansprintables. So I am gonna have to use that because of all the school expenses. And this is the back of and the end, I guess, of the setup. So this is, the same paper with the beautiful balloons. This is actually like a gold little gold foiled hearts, but it doesn't bother me. Usually I'm more like, let's stick with one metal. So I've been doing the silver holographic with this one, but I just actually like how there's a little pop of gold there. And there's another one of the little pockets from the Planner Society, stickers from SimplyGilded, and then another washi card from SimplyGilded with some more of the washi from that I used to make the washi dashboard, and little die cut with a little heart, same thing. And the back here, I wanted to show you, you get two actually pen loops. Both these pens are from SimplyGilded, and then this kit matches so beautifully. So this was the January sub box kit from SimplyGilded, and I just love it. I am kind of hoarding it. I know I need to buy an extra one because it's so pretty. And as you can tell, I am losing. I had a lot of hole punching for this. I just I can forget to clean it up. It's okay, it's like confetti. But I hope you guys liked it, and let me know if you have any questions. It's always better to reach out to me on Instagram, and I hope you guys will get the kit from Vanessa because it's super adorable. But again, reach out to me on Instagram if you have any questions, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.